Guys, we're back with another video. I'm going to be playing soccer at night. Maybe bloopers. But yeah.
Help me!
But yeah, you can't really see anything. See how dark it is. We're playing bloopers at 3 a.m. Yeah, bro. We're playing soccer at 3 a.m. Wait. So yeah. We're playing this at like 3 a.m. Well, it's darker than that, but yeah. See? Can't see shit. Now what the frick is... Where? Let's go get it. Where? Is it over here?
You wanna go? No!
Let's go. Bro, this is the ball is over here. What the frick is it? Where is it? Bro, where is it? Oh, it is? Yo, what was that? Bro, what was that? Dude, I heard like a bang. Bro, heard like a bang. Bro, there it is again. There it is, bro. What the frick? Bro, guys, let's go play over there on the dirt so we can see it better, okay?
No, let's do it over here, please.
But I can't see shiz. It's pure black. Here, you guys start with it. So apparently we're gonna own this car. So look, my goal is over there. I mean, that's where I score. Like, you know, the neighbor's car in the post. Yeah, that's where I shoot. And the mailbox, to past the mailbox is my goal.
Don't judge me.
I mean, you're gonna shoot. Fat zone. That's the fat zone. What the frick is that? The frick? Who is that? Let's go! Oh, fudge, I missed. Let's go, let's go. Oh, got the ball, got the ball. Bro. Got them, got them jukes, boom! Bro, there goes the ball. Bro, how is Abby still awake, bro? Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. We're ready now. So let's go. Oh, what the frick was that? Bro, what the frick? Freaking your browser. Frick! Where the frick is Cash at? Sure. Bro, that's Abby. That's with your L. Not much. No, your L's out there too. You do?
Okay, bye. You guys have to do it all by yourself, but...
I'm probably not going to film anymore.
Abby! Time to go home! Time to go home!
What? So, there's no mom over there. Especially there's no wood, but who gives? So, yeah. See ya. Wait, no, wait, not yet. Let's film all the way back to see if we see stuff while like overreacting. Bro. What the frick was that? Bro, what the frick was that? Bro, it was like someone over there. Frick. It's like 3 a.m., bro. It's clearly 3:08 in the morning. Bro. Bro, what the frick was that? I don't know if you guys heard it. Comment down below if you heard that. But bro, dude, this rain, bro, it's kind of freaky. Frick, it's like scary, bro. It's like somewhere over there, bro. I'm like, bro, what the frick? So yeah, see ya on. There's like beehive like up there. Sorry you guys didn't see that. But, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. But see you on the next video. Peace.